a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'll be unboxing this black DECKER juicer, and I have some vegetables here, so I'm gonna do a trial and see how it works. So stay tuned. So this juicer, I just got it from Walmart, and I decided to see how it works. It's small and portable, so I hope it works. I'm gonna unbox it now. So it comes in this box and it's wrapped with this cellophane bag. So this is it. I think this is where you put it and you plug it in. And here is where I think the juice comes from here, and this is where the shaft goes into. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, then I'll come back and use it. So see how it works. First of all, I believe I need to cut the vegetables into small bits, so it'll be easier to grind the vegetables and the fruits. So I have cucumber, I have celery, I have green apple, tangerine, and carrots. So I'll be cutting it into bits, and I've already washed it, so I'll use it to do juice and see how it works. Okay, I'll go ahead and wash it, and I'll be back. So I'll do the cucumber. So this is the cucumber juice. Next I'll do apple. Cut it. This is the apple juice, green apple juice, and next I'm going to do the celery. see how celery. I'm going to turn it on. So next I'm gonna do carrots and orange together. So this is carrot. So this is carrot and the tangerine. This is celery. This is cucumber. This is a cucumber. This is the green apple. No, this is the green apple. Celery, cucumber, carrot, and tangerine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hi, I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.